hi there. I'm up. Well. It's not doing it, is it? No, quiere que se la coma porque le están intentando avisar o...
Sí, para que luego pesque.
Claro. Enseñar. Hi everybody, good morning. Guess where I am today? Oh, I suppose you don't know where. Oh, in Spain, but I'm at a national park. And I come here this morning, a national park, and it's in where I'm, Cantur, I think it's Cantabria National Park. So I think that's the name, if I show you. And you get all to see all these animals, and it takes about five or 6 hours to go around the park. It's a bit like oh, what's it called? Like in England, a safari park. Yeah. So you get all this. So I'm going to take you over this bit. I mean, it's my first time, so bear with me. Bear with me. Oh, I think I'm going to the lizard place. Yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. Oh, just come across, as you come through, well, I come through this way, and you can get out of the car this bit, and you've got a cafe bar, see if you want to buy any cold drinks, and a little shop as well. There. Oh, that's sweet. Now you've got like a little vending machine, and you've got a cafe bar. Then you've got like a reception over there if you sort of like don't know what you want, don't know what you're doing, like me. Then you've got a little shop where you can buy your souvenirs. Little souvenirs. Right. Going in the lizard bit now. Oh, it's quite warm in here as well. That's a snake. Yeah, snakes. It's another snake. What's that one? Is that one alive? Oh my God, look at this. Oh. That's Mummy and Daddy. That's massive. Phew. Oh, sorry. Oh, look at that size of that one over there. Wouldn't like that to be wrapped around me, would you? Yeah. There's some more here. Oh yeah, look at this. Here must be the size of their jaw. Oh, like a vampire. They are, aren't they? Like vampires. And so this one must be this one. Oh. What's this one? A cobra. That's a cobra, that one. And this weird thing is a monsterosro or something. I think I might pronounce it right or I might pronounce it wrong. I'll probably get corrected. Oh, look at this. It's a bites. Oh God. I'm glad they're on the other side and not out. And what's in here? Oh, there it is, asleep. Oh, what's another one there? Oh. Yeah. Just looking at me, look. Are you looking at me? Got a bit of a sore throat. Maybe it's different climate. That's a nice colour snake, isn't it? Very nice. Sort of like wow. Sort of trying to find them because they're like camouflaged in the rocks. Let's have a look at this one. Let's go over here.
Pues una vez la cabeza ahí está metida, ¿no?
Sí, ahí está metida.
Oh,
Está metida.
no. Sí, bueno.
Es que tiene que por ahí se sale por ahí.
Ah, he's got his head sticking out over there. Is it alive? Can you see it? No, it don't look very happy there. Oh, what's this? Ah, this is the skeleton. A skeleton of a snake. Now that's the first I've ever seen of a snake, so it must have been that one. Wow. That's a skeleton. Let's have a look around this bit here. Oh, they've got those really sharp little teeth. Like needles. You know, imagine a load of needles going into you. I don't know. Camouflage. Can you see? Oh, there's one down there. That's is that a lizard thing or I don't know. But they're both sleeping. Husband and wife. Me and my husband sleeping. And that's about it on this bit. I'll see you later. And yeah, we're going to have a look. 12:30 for the feeding, I think. Oh, look at this one, look. Hello, Sil. How do you feel? Oh, look, what a life. Look at that. He's just having a good old lazy round. Oh, that one's making a lot of noise. It sounds like my dog. They are sort of like dogs, aren't they? But they're dogs of the sea. That's what they're called. There they are, look, see him? He's trying to distract the other one. Maybe it's a female. Look at him. I suppose he's looking up to the sky for some fish. He's having a little old scratch. Maybe he's got a bit of an itch. Like they use it. They sort of do sound like little dogs, don't they? Little puppy, you think. He's looking up to the sky. There's another one that's here he is, having a little scratch. Little scratch. I'm going to take you around the national park. You can take dogs as long as the doggy area bit where they have to be on the lead, and there's a cable car, and you could take them on the cable car, but they must be in a little doggy going around the car now to the safari park now, and yeah, we're just following the cars wherever they go. We don't know where they're going because this map is it's quite confusing. So I think we're going to the gorilla part of it, so I'm not quite sure, so we'll just have to wait and see. You know me, I always, it's a tigers, oh, and gorillas. So the tigers and the gorillas. Right, I shall see you in a minute. Right, I suppose that way is the tigers and that way is the gorillas. So I'm going to walk this way. Oh, but you can't go in that way because the arrow's pointing that way. So I presume you have to walk this way. Oh, but I don't know, they got the walk there, then they got this here. So, but I think people are walking over that way. So I think you're not allowed to walk that way. But they've got the walking sign. Oh, it's probably over here. So I'm just following these people. So I'm a little alien in another country. Oh, the gorillas. Because that's weird. Because they said, no, the gorillas. They said the gorillas. Here, look. Am I going off my head or something? They said the gorillas are over there, the arrow, and the tigers are the arrow. But I think the gorillas could be over there, but the arrow's pointing over that way. I don't know. It's confused.com. How to confuse people, you know. So they said the gorillas were over there, but maybe they were over there and they put them over here. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Well, I found a gorilla. Here's my gorilla. There it is. See it? Right. I see an elephant. Maybe it's just pictures. It's an elephant there. Ah, gorillas. That's where I'm going now. I'll see you in a minute. Right. There's my gorilla. See him? Say hello to my friend. That's my gorilla friend. There. See? Rubbing. Looks very angry though, doesn't he? Or does he look happy? Does he look happy? That one don't look happy, look. See? Ah, and this must be the skeleton. Look at his teeth. Oh, look at fangs on that. It's all about the chimpanzees. They're quite vicious, the chimpanzees, actually. I mean, somebody had one as a pet and it ripped somebody's face off, apparently. So they're wild animals, so And that's orangutan. Do you remember the film with Clint Eastwood? Right turn, Clyde.
Right turn, Clyde.
I could just go in here and have a look. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this. Oh.
Le daba ella muy bien. Yo no sabía que no tenía dedo.
Right, this woman, who you know, that's your friend, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's my friend.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. Oh, so she knows you really well.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you know her like when she was little?
Yeah, 1 year old.
Oh, and she's got good memory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
I'll go here
Yeah.
from Czech Republic every year.
Wow.
One time from 1 year
Yeah. Oh, wow.
for visit her.
Yeah. Oh, that's fascinating. Are these like her family, you know,
Yeah.
like, yeah.
And her daughter
Yeah.
now live in Czech Republic in Prague.
Yeah.
And she have small baby.
Yeah.
She's now 8 years old.
Oh, wow.
She's a little baby,
Aw.
but it's really devil,
Yeah.
small devil.
I think she's coming back. She's coming back. I think what she's eating berries or yeah. Oh, so fascinating. I bet you could spend all day just watching them.
Yeah, and this is in
Yeah.
Prague. It's her daughter, June,
Oh, wow.
with her small baby.
Oh, so cute.
She's
Oh.
grandmother.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Just like humans, aren't they,
I have
really?
more fun. Yeah, here.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah,
Oh.
but she's big devil.
A little,
Yeah.
teenager.
No,
No.
it's small. It's 8 months.
Oh, 8 months. I mean,
But it's devil.
just the devil, yeah.
And
A
when,
bit like my doggy. I've got a little doggy. She's a
when you would like, I have Facebook page. You can look,
yeah.
and it's my name.
Oh, you're not right. Oh, brilliant. What I'll do, I'll click on that. Okay, yeah. Hang on. Right, and
And
got-
you can look.
yeah, and you can look at mine. Deb's Most Excellent
Oh,
Adventures.
great.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. I'll subscribe to you. Oh, brilliant. And anyway, what's your name?
Lucie Štěpničková.
It's hard. I'm not very good at pronouncing, you know. But anyway, nice to
Just
meet you.
Lucy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got a lovely cold dance. Ciao, ciao, isn't it, ciao? Bye. Right, I'm going over to the tigers. That's right, with those tiger feet. Quite far away though, quite away. That one's having a lazy down by the tree. Oh, there's a big one over there. There's a big tiger there, see it? I'll see if I can get a better view. Oh no, it's probably going in. No, it's just pacing up and down. It's thinking, when is lunch? I mean, there's a sausage dog over there. Maybe he wants a sausage hot dog. There we are. It's got quite a big space for it as well. I mean, yeah, it's got quite a lot of so it's got it all over. I mean, I don't mind this because they got all that over there, and they got all this over all around there, and it goes all the way round. So they have got quite a lot of room to walk around. I mean, I'm not very. I don't like them when they're in cages or things, but when they've got a lot of it, you know. But I'd rather them to be free, but at least they've got a lot of space to, you know, they're not cooped up. So they've got a lot of room to. But he just starts walking up and down, just pacing. I mean, yeah, maybe he's waiting for his food. That one over there and that one has got the right idea. They're having a lazy round. Maybe he's probably waiting for us, one of us to fall in or something. I shall see you later. You've got the sky trailer thing that goes up there. I can't remember what they're called. I'm just gone blank as this weather. But here is the camels, and they got the hump. I know they look quite happy today, actually. And you can either go on this over there, if you see, or you can walk around. So but you can take dogs as long as they're in a little trailer, a carrier. But you can walk around here as well. So you've got a little path going up. So I shall see you later. Got some beautiful views all over there. Beautiful. And this is, by the way, this is North Spain. So a lot of people on the ferry were going to southern Spain, South Spain, but but actually I prefer North Spain because it's more greener. Southern Spain's more dusty. Yeah, I think it's beautiful in the because you've got all the hills in the North Spain. Plus it's probably greener, and it probably rains a lot more, but it's really hot though. It's still warm. And I'm coming across to the Rhino. I'll show you. Oh, look. Wow. I think he's got an itch. It's like leather, isn't it, their skin? Oh. Don't think he knows what to do. He knows. He's going to be free. Oh. Sometimes when I look at animals, I just want to like free them in their own habitat. It's probably been here since the baby, so you know, it might be, if you do free them, it might be cruel because they wouldn't know what to do. But yeah. Am I allowed in here? Or aren't I? Look, I come across this. And let's hope I don't come across on the path, you know, charging at me. Keep hearing things. Right, I think I'm allowed here. Just keep my eyes out. Right, I shall see you in a minute. Ooh. Sorry. I don't know if I'm allowed that way, but I've seen them. They were facing. Oh, hang on. Oh dear. I don't know if I'm allowed to walk up this way. I can't understand the Spanish. Oh dear. Somebody's whistling. Where are you? I can't. Are they whistling at me or are they saying get out, you're not allowed here? Oh! Well, this is the view. Look at that. Ah, this is the tiger bit again. So I think we're going round in circles. Well, the horse is over there, I think. Yeah. Oops, a big pothole. Alright. Wow. This place is amazing. I mean, it's like they've got every car park going. You sort of drive and then you sort of like look at places. It takes all day. But there's places that you can walk as well. I've been walking for ages, and I tell you something, it's like you've got the cable cars up there. It is amazing. You sort of like it's good for a hike as well, because I'm up in the mountains. It's brilliant. I mean, I'm just really enjoying myself on the first sort of day. It's really good. And the only thing I like about this place, you can take. It is so. I can't explain it. You've got to be here to appreciate it. It is absolutely brilliant, and I wish they could make all like spaces for animals like this. It's brilliant. They're more freer. That giraffe over there. See it? You see it over there. There's the cable cars up there. You can go on them as well. But I've got a dog. I mean, I could take a dog, but it's getting the crate out the car, and it's a bit of a hassle. It's quite heavy, so. This is like the little kiddies. Whoops, it's a bit of the kiddies bit here. Pose for me. Strike the pose. Just looking around, that's what they do, don't they? They tend to see, they're a bit nosy. You are very nosy, aren't you? Watching everybody. Look. Click, click. So yeah, one watches out while the other one, while they dig. Yeah, so see it watching. And then here he comes. He's got a big stick. Here he is. Here he comes. Is he coming? No. It comes, it must be the upward one. Should have filmed him there, Phil. Shall I film him that way? Come on. No.
Que salte, ¿no?
I think he's intelligent. That one. Go on. That looks like a finger. Stubborn. This fell. Got it. This is stubborn. Stubborn one. Looks like a finger. No. Oh, he's gonna use his intelligence. No.
¿Queréis que nos quitemos de
Qué bueno.
enfrente y nos vamos a un lado?
No, le va a dar igual. Lo que no, igual el perrín.
El perro, estos son ingleses.
That's probably the dog, Phil. The dog, Phil. Phil. Oh, look, the dog. Dog. There.
El otro fue más rápido, ¿no?
It's not doing it, is it?
No, quiere que se la coma porque le están intentando avisar o...
Sí, para que luego pesque. En la...
Claro, enseñar. Los animales, porque igual es nuevo.
He's looking.
Venga, pues vamos a los dos.
Oh. Is it nice? Tomorrow. We're still here. 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock. If I go over this way. No, the hippopotamus. There they are. Living amongst the ducks. There they are. Got little ducks living. Oh look, it's gone under. You see it? There's the hippo. Oh, that should be coming up to here. Yep. Huh. There's the hippo swimming around. There we are. Hello. Oh, it's cute. Hello, zebra. 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 And you got all this view all here. And this is all, they have all this land, the zebras, all this land. How good is that? I mean, they've got loads of land and they, look, can't believe this, look, it's a nice zebra there. Hello zebra. This is going to be one long video. Well, they say you can always fast forward it to the best bits.
The best day of our lives, this park was incredible with loads to see and do. Plus, the way it was planned out was awesome. Every car park had a tiny zoo, and for only €78 for us with our dog, it was by far the best day out we ever had in Santander. We can't wait to go back and see everything we missed. Highly recommended, 10 out of 10.